Republic Act of 4274, Mining Engineering Law of the Philippines, presented by Nick Paul Saga II. Introduction. Republic Act Number 4274 was enacted on June 19, 1965 to regulate the practice of mining engineering in the Philippines. It ensures that mining engineers possess the necessary technical skills and ethical standards to contribute to the industry responsibly. Objective of RA 4274: First is establish a legal framework for mining engineering. Second is ensure only qualified professionals engage in mining engineering. Third is promote ethical standards and technical competence. Last is to regulate licensing, training, and discipline within the profession. Scope of practice. Mining engineers play a critical role throughout the life cycle of a mining operation by mineral exploration and resource assessment, evaluating potential mining sites, mining method and extraction, designing safe and efficient mining techniques, environmental and safety management, ensuring compliance with environmental laws and workplace safety regulation. Board of Mining Engineering. The Board of Mining Engineering operates under the Professional Regulation Commission and it is composed of a chairman and two board members. Roles and responsibilities: conduct licensure examinations, issue and revoke licenses for mining engineers, ensure the code of ethics and professional standards, handle disciplinary action against violations. Licensure examination. To become a licensed mining engineer, candidate must pass the mining engineering licensure, which assesses their knowledge in fundamentals of mining engineering, core principles and theories. Second is mine planning and design, development, efficient and safe mining operations. Third is environmental and safety standard compliance with regulation and risk management. Qualification of a mining engineer. To qualify as a licensed mining engineer, an individual must be a Filipino citizen, hold a degree in mining engineering from a recognized institution, pass the licensure examination for mining engineers, and demonstrate good moral, character, and ethical integrity. Penalties in violation. Practicing without a license or violating professional ethics can lead to fines and legal penalties, imprisonment for illegal practice, suspension or revocation of a mining license. These measures ensure compliance and accountability, discouraging irresponsible mining activities. In conclusion, Republic Act 4274 regulates and protects the mining engineering profession. It ensures that mining engineers operate ethically and professionally, and the law promotes responsible mining practices and environmental sustainability. By maintaining high standards, this law helps mining engineers contribute positively to national development while safeguarding the environment and public safety. Thank you.